Learn Gujarati fast. Is there Wi-Fi here? And
એક સમસ્યા છે.
welcome, brave traveler. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Gujarati phrases without falling asleep. We'll keep it practical, funny, and easy to repeat. Imagine this. You arrive in Gujarat, your phone is dramatic, your stomach is nervous, and the building has the personality of a maze. Good news. Language can save the day. Today you'll learn how to ask,
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે.
how to announce,
એક સમસ્યા છે.
how to panic politely with,
સમય નથી.
how to survive with,
શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે?
and how to point wisely with.
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
Yes, this is basically a travel action movie, but with better pronunciation. Your 5 magic lines. Let's meet the stars of today's episode. Say them with me slowly, like a confident traveler who definitely knows where the passport is. First, is there Wi-Fi here? In Gujarati is.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે.
Second, there is a problem. Is.
એક સમસ્યા છે.
Third, there is no time. Is.
સમય નથી.
Fourth, is there a toilet? Is.
શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે?
Fifth, there is an entrance there. Is.
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
Nice. You now sound 37% more prepared than the average confused tourist. A cafe with chaos. Now let's put the phrases into a tiny story. You listen first, then you can replay and shadow it aloud. You walk into a bright cafe and whisper to yourself, please let there be coffee, a chair, and civilization. You smile and ask the waiter.
માફ કરશો, અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
The waiter nods, but your laptop freezes at the exact moment you try to look productive. You sigh and say,
એક સમસ્યા છે.
Then your friend says the bus leaves in 2 minutes. Suddenly it is a movie trailer voice.
સમય નથી.
Also, because life enjoys adding suspense, you urgently ask.
શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે?
The waiter points dramatically and says,
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
Congratulations, you survived the cafe level. Mini breakdown, zero drama. You don't need grammar perfection right now. Just notice a few helpful patterns. In.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે? અહીં.
Means, here, and.
છે.
Is. In.
એક સમસ્યા છે. એક.
Means, a, or, one, and.
સમસ્યા.
Means, problem. In.
સમય નથી. સમય.
Means, time, and.
નથી.
Gives the negative idea, is not, or, there is not. In.
શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે? શું.
Helps form the question, and.
શૌચાલય.
Means, toilet, or, restroom. In.
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે. ત્યાં.
Means, there, and.
પ્રવેશદ્વાર.
Means, entrance. So yes, you're not memorizing random noise. You're collecting survival tools. Repeat after me. Time for a speaking drill. I'll give you the English, then the Gujarati. Repeat during the pauses like a legend. Is there Wi-Fi here?
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
There is a problem.
એક સમસ્યા છે.
There is no time.
સમય નથી.
Is there a toilet?
શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે?
There is an entrance there.
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
One more round, a little faster.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે? એક સમસ્યા છે. સમય નથી. શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે? ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
Ridiculously useful dialogue. Let's make it real with a short dialogue. You can read one voice and I'll imagine the other voice wearing a very serious hat. Traveler. Excuse me.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
Waiter. Yes, but.
એક સમસ્યા છે.
The router is sleepy. Traveler. Oh no. And the bus is leaving soon.
સમય નથી.
Traveler. Also, slightly urgent question.
શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે?
Waiter. Yes.
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
Traveler. Thank you. You have saved my schedule, my dignity, and possibly my shoes. Quick quiz, no panic. You're up. I'll ask in English, and you answer in Gujarati before I reveal it. How do you say, is there Wi-Fi here?
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
How do you say, there is a problem?
એક સમસ્યા છે.
How do you say, there is no time?
સમય નથી.
How do you say, is there a toilet?
શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે?
How do you say, there is an entrance there?
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
If you got even 2 without help, that is excellent. If you got all 5, please accept this invisible trophy. It is very shiny. Friendly conclusion. You did it. 5 useful Gujarati phrases are now living in your brain rent-free. Today you practiced.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે? એક સમસ્યા છે. સમય નથી. શું અહીં શૌચાલય છે?
And.
ત્યાં એક પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and use them the next time life turns into a tiny travel comedy.